So one new thing this week is you have a problem set that's due a week from today. It's due on Monday, February 8th. So that PDF is posted. It has 3 questions. Each of those questions has multiple parts, as you might guess. And a few things I wanted to point out about the problem sets. First of all, these are supposed to be hard. They're supposed to be part of the learning process, so don't expect to just look at it and know the answer immediately. The idea is you would look at these questions, think about them, maybe go back to your notes or review one of the relevant videos, and then after a little while, maybe make some advances on figuring out what concept this is trying to get at. You will be happy to learn that these questions are more difficult than the content you'll see on the exams. You will not see content as difficult on the problem set or on the exams as you will see on the problem sets. But that's why I give you a whole week to do it. So hopefully if you can master the material well enough to do well on the problem set and understand the concept on the problem set, you will also be able to do well on the exams. The problem sets are also at maybe a higher level of reasoning, meaning it's not just going to be rote memorization of what's in the lecture notes. These will push you a little bit to try to extend the things we've learned and really apply them in hopefully some at least useful or interesting applications. This first one doesn't have any math. Some of the later problem sets might have a little bit of math, but it won't be super involved at all. It will be relatively conceptually focused. The only other thing I wanted to point out in terms of what my expectations are is when I ask you to, say, describe something or explain something, I am not looking for a giant essay. 2 sentences, 3 sentences is fine. In fact, highly preferable. Lastly, do spend some time on this and give it your best effort. If you can't, if you're really, really stuck, then you can email me if you have questions or come to office hours. But I do recommend spending some time first because it's not, like I said a moment ago, you're not just going to immediately look at the question and know what the answer is. One caveat with that, I do have other obligations. So if you're emailing me like 3 hours before the problem set's due or even 24 hours before the problem set's due, I can't promise I'll be able to meet with you, but just another reason to be proactive and get started on this. So hopefully that gives you some idea on what you can expect on the problem sets. Again, this is posted due a week from Monday, and good luck on it.